guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dia Chahan and I'm in 5th standard. And guys, I'm back with my YouTube videos, and today I'm going to do a new chapter, which the name of the chapter is Representing Information in Graphical Form. So guys, I was not making my YouTube videos for a long period of time, since long period of time. Guys, I was busy doing my other works. I have to do my class work. I have to complete my work which are coming from my school, and I have to do worksheets. Then guys, my exams are also about to come, so I have to prepare for my exams. And then then guys, I was in my hometown, so at that time I was not having my board over there, so that's why it was very difficult to make video. So guys, that's why today I'm making video with the new chapter named Representing Data in Graphical Form. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So first you can write the chapter name. Representing information in graphical form. Okay guys. So guys, in this chapter we have many different topics to learn. First, let's see how many topics in what topics are there. So guys, first of all, we have in this chapter, which is telemarks. Then guys, second one is pictograph. Third one is bar graph. Fourth one is circle graph. Then guys, then we have yes, tabular form. So guys, these are some topics which we will learn in this chapter. First one is telemarks, pictograph, bar graph, circle graph, and tabular form. But guys, we cannot complete these whole topics in one class. So today we will do bar graph and circle graph. So today we will learn bar graph and circle graph. In the next class we will learn pictograph and telemarks, and then we will learn tabular form. So let's get started guys. First I will rub them and then I will meet you. So guys, first we will learn the circle graph. So I have written here circle graph. Now guys, to learn circle graph, before learning the circle graph, you should know that which type of questions will come in circle graph. First we will write a question over here and then we will see. So the question is, just a minute guys, let me see. Okay, the question is 80 children of class 5A. 80 children of class 5A were asked about the snack they liked the most. The snack they liked the most. Okay. Now, the result was as follows. The result is as follows. Okay. Samosa. Guys, I'm writing a bit small. Samosa is equals to 40. Is it pizza? Oh, it's dhokla. Dhokla is equals to 20. Pizza is equals to 10, I believe. Yes, 10. And then vada is equals to 10. So guys, this is the question, and these type of questions will come in the circle graphs. These type of questions will also be asked to you in form of circle graph. So guys, now I'm going to drop this question. In my screen you will see the question, and you can read that question and then you can revise along with me. Those who know how to do it, it's good. You can see this video and you can revise once more. But those who don't know, I'm explaining it. So see. So I read the question once more. 50 children of class 5A were asked about the snack they liked the most. The result is as follows. Samosa is equals to 40. Dhokla is equals to 20. Pizza is equals to 10. And vada is equals to 10. So let me rub this and we'll solve it. First let me rub it. Okay guys, so let's do this. Okay. So guys, as samosa, because I'm writing a short form, so please try to understand. Samosa was 40. Then what was there? Yes, then dhokla was 20. Pizza was 10. And vada was also 10. So now what we'll do? This was the question. So the total of the children was 50. And from 50, the teacher asked the students that how many about the snack they liked the most. They were asked about the snack they liked the most. So 40 children told samosa, 20 children told dhokla, 10 children told 10 students said pizza, and 10 students said vada. Now circle graph means a circle. So we will solve this whole question in a circle. Let's see how. Now the first step is to calculate the total. Now we will calculate this number. So it was 50 in the question only. It was written 50. So we will write here total. First step is to write the total. Total is equals to 50. Oh, just a minute. Total is equals to 50. Now we will make a circle. Big circle you can make. It's not neater. I'll write it. So this is the circle which we have made. Now the second step is to take out the fraction of the numbers from the total. How? So first we will take out the fraction of these numbers. Okay, one by one we will take out. So first we will do here. First step is 40 upon 50. Second step is to take out the fraction. So we will take out the fraction of that. One by one we will take out. So first we will write here 40 upon 50 because we have to take out the fraction of 40 first. So we will do just a minute. Okay. So what we'll do here is, just a minute. So guys, it's a big mistake. The total is not 50. The total is 80. I'm sorry. Actually, I wrote 50. It's 80. Sorry. It's 80, huh? I thought it was 50. It's 80. I calculated wrong. Okay, so we will take out the fraction 40 upon 80. So 40 1s are 40, 42s are 80. So is equals to fraction is 1 by 2 of 40. 1 by 2 of 40. Now second is 20. So we will take out the fraction of 20 upon 80. 21s are 20. 22s are 20. 2 into 10 gives you 20. No, 21s are 20. 22s are 40. 23s are 60. And 24s are 80. 24s are 80, so is equals to 1 by 4. Now the third one is 10. So we'll write here 10 upon 80. 10 ones are 10. 10 8s are 80 is equals to 1 upon 8. The last one is fourth one, which is again 10 upon 80. Which again give you 10 ones are 10 and 10 8s are 80. Which gives you 1 upon. Now the second step is also done. We have taken out the fraction of the numbers. 40 upon 80, which gives you 1 upon 8. 20 upon 80, 1 upon 4. 10 upon 80, 1 upon 8. And 10 upon 80 is equals to 1 upon 8 again. So second step is also done. Okay, now the work which we have to do inside this. Okay, now the third step is, second step also we have done. I hope you can see it. Okay, now the third step is to take out the half of the total. Now whenever we have to take out the half of the total, we always divide any number by 2. So when we'll divide 2 upon 80, 2 upon what gives you 82? Just a minute, let me calculate. These are 80. Okay. So now the half of this 80 has came out. So whenever we have to take out the half of any number, we always divide it by 2. So when we divide 80 by 2 by 80, the half of the number we get it. So the half of 80 is 40. Now the samosa is 40. Now this whole complete circle is of 80. Now when we'll make a line in the center of this circle, this part will be 40 and this part will be 40. Okay? When we'll divide this circle, this part becomes 40 and this part is also become 40. So samosa is 40 and what was, okay, now this part is whole 40 and samosa over here is 40. Now after this, you have to see the fraction of 40 upon 80 which we have done, which was 1 upon 2. So we'll write here 1 upon 2 and down below you have to write samosa. Okay, so this is how you have to do one part, and one part we have finished, which was samosa. So samosa is done. 40, this is whole is 40, 1 upon 2, samosa we have written. Now the turn comes of dhokla. Dhokla is 20. Now this part is 40. Now when we'll make a line here in this center, this part becomes 20, this part becomes 20. Just a minute. Line is not in center. Just a minute. Let me see. So this part is 20, this part is 20 and this part is 20. And 20 is dhokla. So this part is whole 20. And 20 upon 80, what was the fraction of 20 upon 80? It was 1 upon 4. So we write here 1 upon 4, which is dhokla. Just don't write simply, like don't write 40 is equals to samosa. No. In circle graph, you have to take out the fraction. In the fractional wise only you have to write inside the circle. Normally, you cannot write it. Okay. Now dhokla is also done. So samosa is done, dhokla is done. Now leftover is pizza and vada. Pizza is 10 and vada is also 10. Now this whole part was 20. when we'll divide this whole part, this becomes 10, this also becomes 10. 10 is pizza and 10 is vada. And what was the fraction of 10? It was 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 8 pizza, 1 upon 8 vada. See, circle graph is done. It is very simple to do the circle graph. Now I'll explain you from the beginning. Actually, I don't have much time to explain you another question. So I'll just explain you this question, and by this question only you will understand. Now see, I'll explain you once more. Okay, so our question was, again I am saying the question. Still you will see in the screen, you can read from the screen, but I am reading from the book. 80 children of class 5A were asked about the snack they liked the most. The result was as follows. Samosa, 40 students said samosa, 20 students said dhokla, 10 students said pizza, and 10 students said vada. This was the question, and this type of question will be only asked in circle graph. This type of only questions will be asked in circle graph. Now, so first step is to calculate the total. When we total these numbers, we get the total of 80. So we have written the first step, and first step is done. Now the second step. Second step is to take out the fractional of the number. First we take out 40 upon 80 fraction, then 20 upon 80, then 10 upon 10, then 10 upon 10. So we get the fraction of these numbers. 40 upon 80, we get 1 upon 2. 20 upon 80, we get 1 upon 4. 10 upon 80, we get 1 upon 8. And 10 upon 80, same we get 1 upon 8. So this also we have done, second step we have done. Now the turn comes of third step. Now third step is what? Third step is to take out the half of the total. Half of the total means half of 80. 80 is a total, so half of 80. Now if you want to take out any number's half, we divide it by 2. We divide it by 2. So when we divide this 80 by 2, we get the answer as 40. That means 40 is half of 80, and this whole circle was 80. If the total is 80, this whole circle will be 80. Now if you want to take out 40, we'll divide the circle, 40 here, 40 here. This part becomes a samosa. Why? Because this whole part is 40 and here 40 students stay. So 40 is completed. Samosa is done. Now the turn comes of dhokla. Dhokla is 20. This part is whole 40. When we'll divide this part becomes 20 and this part becomes 20. And here 20 students said for dhokla. They voted for dhokla. So 20, 1 upon 4 is equals to dhokla. We have written. Now this part is now 20. This whole part is 20. Now here pizza is 10, vada is 10. When we will divide this 20, 10 here, 10 here. That means 10 pizza ban jayega and 10 vada ban jayega. So what we'll write here? We will write here 1 upon 8 pizza, 1 upon 8 vada. So this is our circle graph is completed. How simple it is to learn the circle graph. You just have to know the steps and know the concept. That's only there. So I hope you have understood the circle graph very clearly, because I have explained you and I have done in front of you too. Okay guys, now we will go to the bar graph, and now we will study what is bar graph. So first I have to rub this. I'll rub it and then I'll come to the bar graph. Okay guys, so now we will study about bar graph. So we write here bar graph. Okay, now what is bar graph? Now guys, what we done in circle graph was the first step which we do was we have to know which type of questions will come. Similarly in bar graph, if you want to know what is bar graph, you should first know that which type or which type of questions will come in the exams or in anything. So I'll tell you which type of questions come in this bar graph. Let me see. Let me take some questions. Okay. Now, modern public school. Okay, we'll take in question. Modern public school. Now guys, I forgot to tell you that in like when I told you we will in the next class we'll learn tabular form. We can learn the tabular form guys in this bar graph only, because when we do bar graph, before bar graph it's very important to do the tabular form also. Before bar graph we have to first do the tabular form and then we have to do the bar graph. So in this session only, in this video only, we'll do the tabular form. So we'll cancel tabular form for the next class. Okay, modern public school is a very big school. It's a very big school. It's a very big school. The information or number. The information or number of children who got who got 100 in mathematics, in each class in the school. Actually guys, the boat fell. I'm so sorry for that. It just fell because it's not it's not pasted in one position. That's why it fell. It's okay guys, we'll continue the question, just ignore that. Okay, this school is presented in a tabular form. In a tabular form. So in bar graph only we learn how to do tabular form. Okay. Now, I'll read the question. If I will drop the question, you will still see on the screen, because I'll write the question on screen. You will be able to see the question. Okay? Because some people are there, who need to just skip, like you need to go back on my video and see the question, and then they have to do the answer. So I'm gonna, you don't need to do these all things in my video. I'll just post a question on the screen. You will be able to see the question. Okay. Modern public school is a very big school. The information on number of children who got 100 in mathematics in each class in this school is presented in a tabular form. So first we will rub this question, but still you will see on the screen. Okay, we'll rub this question, and first we'll do it in tabular form, and then we'll do it in bar graph. So let me rub it. I'm rubbing it. Okay, so now first we'll make it in tabular form. Let's do it in tabular form. For making in tabular form, first you have to make a column. Big column. Like this. You have to make a big column. Okay? tabular form, you have to make this type of column, and then you have to make like this a column. Then you have to make one column with 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we will write class. Below that we will write number of students. With 100 in mathematics. With 100 in mathematics. So we have to do it like this. Class, a number of students with 100 in mathematics. First we write classes. Classes were 1, 2, 3, 4, and we were having 5 also. I'm so sorry, we were having 5 also. We write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we'll do it like this. Okay, so we have to write it like this. Class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of students with 100 in mathematics. In class 1 it was 15 students, 30 students, 25 students, 35 students, and in class 5 it was 20 students. So this is how we do the tabular form. Class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of students with 100 in mathematics was in class 1 it was 15, class 2 it was 30, 3 it was 25, in 4 it was 35, and 5 it was 20. So guys, this is how we do tabular form. So guys, in this video will be too long. I have to edit this video, and that's why guys, we'll continue this bar graph in my next video. Sorry for that, that I told you we will do bar graph also in this lesson, in this video. So guys, I'm so sorry. In my next video I'll continue doing this bar graph. So guys, but guys, I wanted to tell you one thing, that if you have any kind of doubts in my videos which I've posted till now on my YouTube, including this video, it's gonna be 5th video which I'll be posting in my YouTube. So if you have any doubts in these videos, please comment me down below with your name that I have doubt, and I'll see that comment, and I will make, if I will having so many doubt, then I'll make one doubt class in which I'll clear your all complete doubts. So please comment me down below so that I will also know how many you have doubts. But guys, if you're doing and if you're understanding it well which I'm teaching, so please let me comment down below that I'm understanding everything. So okay guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and never miss my any updates. So bye bye guys, meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.